Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Lyft. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm just going to open up Lyft and you can see what font size it's currently set to. I'm not logged in, but that doesn't matter. You can see what the font size is set. So now in order to increase this font size, I'm going to head back and then head into my settings app on my mobile phone. Now from here, I want to navigate lower and go ahead and click onto display. And now once I'm inside display, I want to scroll down and then click onto font size and style. And at the bottom of font size and style, we're going to see a slider that we can move left to right. And if we move this slider to the right, it will increase the font size. So you have a play around of how large you want your font size. I'm going to keep it around there, I reckon. So third largest. And now if I head back over to Lyft, you will see the font size has been increased quite significantly and to make it easier to read.